In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone in a TikTok comment. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Tagging someone in a comment is a great way to get their attention or to give them credit for something. It's also a great way to start a conversation with someone. To tag someone in a TikTok comment, follow these steps. Open the TikTok app and find the video you want to comment on. Tap on the comment box and type your comment. To tag someone, type @ or the ampersand. A list of suggestions will appear. Tap on the username of the person you want to tag. Your comment will now be tagged with that person's username. Additional tips: you can tag multiple people in a comment. You can also tag people in your video captions. If you tag someone who has a private account, they will not be notified. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.